Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Ankush. In today's video, I will show you using parameter action how to display sales data. See, in this demo, I will show you whenever I hover over a subcategory is highlighted, particular category is highlighted and it displays the sales like this. This is the very useful trick. Many of the stakeholders nowadays they are looking for the only selected category should show these sales. Others should be not showing any data. So let's see how can we achieve this kind of visualization using parameters. So let's get started. I'm using the sample superstore data. So you need to drag subcategory first in the row section and the sales. The entire view and make sure or any of the dimensions should show proper way. So accessory is not showing properly, so I'll do one thing, maybe I'll reduce the font or I just rotate the label as per my demand. Okay, so this is fine. So what we want first category should highlight any of the end user hover over or any of the end users to select particular category should highlight. So let's see. First we need to create a parameter based on the subcategory, click subcategory, right click subcategory, create and the parameter. Subcategory parameter 2, I just leave it like this. One another way to you can use the create a parameter, just add value from your drop down list and select your subcategory. It also populated here. Show parameter. We need to create two calculation. First I need to highlight the one category and second I should also show the sales data and highlighted category. So, first calculation will be dot subcat. So I'm saying if subcategory parameter 2, or I will say like this, if my subcategory equal to my subcategory parameter 2, give me true end. So what it will do, so it will be highlighted. Whenever I am selecting any category from the drop down list, it should be highlighted. So let's see. Just give me the boolean field which is the true or false. See, accessory is selected in drop down list, accessory is highlighted. If I select anything in the drop down list, it should highlight it. We will change the color. Null will be my light gray and the true will be my so this is working fine. The first step is working fine, and second step is whenever this category is selected, I need to show the label on that. Label should be anything, your sales, profit, any measure. Which would you like to show? Any measure. Okay. The second calculation. No, I don't want to parameter. Labels on subcat. Okay, I'm saying if my subcategory equal to my subcategory parameter 2, then give me a sum of sales and this give me the error. Okay, here it is. Let's see. The error saying is cannot mix aggregation and non-aggregation. Why this is saying? Because we are using a sum of cell. This is the aggregation function. So remove this aggregation. We need to use attributes function, attr. Okay, and this error is gone. If you want how the attr is work in Tableau, just let me know in comment. I will create another video on it. I will show you. Okay, calculation is created. I need to drag it on level. So see, it show. If I select anything in drop down list, it will show the level and selected category. Okay, so I'll do it a little bit formatted. It should be currency standard. It should be any United Kingdom or English United State, and currency standard I want 2000 decimal. I don't want anything. And the next step and the final step is any of the end user is hover over the particular category and subcategory, it should show highlighted and show the data. Okay, so how can we select it? Let's see, worksheet, action. So action say control shift A. Let's try control shift A. I've already created in this parameter previously. I just removed this. Change parameter. What action do we need? We need to do for the change parameter action. Okay. Parameter 1. So I am saying update my param. What action do we need? Hover over. Okay. Sheet 2. That's fine. The sheet 2 selected. Target parameter, which should be my category parameter 2. Aggregation, my subcategory. Source field is a subcategory. Aggregation, leave it null. See, if I hover over any of the subcategory, it's selected and they give me the sales. And if you observe the right side here, this is also updated. The behind the scene, what parameter action is, it's updated this drop down parameter. It just gives me the data. So this is a very useful trick, or where you can show the highlighted things of particular the sales, and the end user loves this functionality. This kind of thing. Now this is the way you can achieve this kind of visualization. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share this video. Thank you so much.